Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready? Let's start. The first animal is giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
A camel. A leopard. This is a leopard.
With a
A leopard.
there,
A sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next animal is a camel. A camel is a farm animal. This is a camel. The next animal is a horse. This is a horse.